fucking speech, man. Nobody's dying tonight. Not us, not that family, nobody. Except that demon. That evil son of a bitch isn't getting any older than the 9, you understand me?
John, you made it. Too bad, really. I was hoping to kill more of your friends.
Sorry to disappoint.